So we made it to the park up, and we've got company, which is really good. If you can see behind me, got a few vans. Oh, there's another one just coming in actually. So we are at the Poole Rugby Football Club, yeah, so far so good. So got a bit of company, which always makes you feel a little bit better. Had a nice little run up, a couple of hours, and yeah, so tickety-boo, already for the ferry tomorrow morning, just down the road, about literally 2 miles to the ferry port. So it's all looking pretty good. So I'm going to get in and rip this video now, and we will catch you guys in the morning. Just a quick update of where we're actually to. So we're tagging a picture of the location, and right, I've got to keep the voice down because there's a few people walking around now, they're looking at me. So what time is it now? Let's just do a little bit of a time check. We are on 8:15. So that didn't work out too bad at all.